Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your crypto wallet to Hamster Kombat in just few simple steps. This is the working method for 2025, so make sure you watch till the end to avoid missing anything important. Let's get right into it. First, open the Hamster Kombat in Telegram. Once you're in, tap on the airdrop option. Now scroll down and choose Binance Exchange as your wallet option. If you already have a Binance account, go ahead and click Yes, I have it. Next, we need to get the deposit address and memo for Hamster Combat. Open your Binance app and tap on the wallet icon and then click deposit and in the search bar type hamster. Select Hamster Combat, choose the Toncoin network. Now Binance will show you the deposit address and the memo. Copy both of these, first the address then memo. Now go back to the Hamster Combat in Telegram and paste them into the required fields. Once done, hit save. And that is it. You have successfully connected your crypto wallet to Hamster Combat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.